What does every UMI suspension part for a 3rd gen Camaro look like? We'll lay it all out in the driveway here in a minute. Alright, here's just about every UMI suspension piece you can get for a 3rd gen. From front sway bar, wonder bar, strut tire brace, caster camber plates, the tubular cross member for the LS1 swap, keeping factory springs, lower A-arms, the Coney shock and strut kit with the lowering springs. UMI offers the whole kit for all 4. The LS1 or the 4L60E cross member with the torque arm built into that. We got the subframe connectors. We got the lower control arms. The relocation panhard bar. And yeah, and then the torque arm. We got the poly engine mounts. I didn't unbox those, but this is kind of what every piece looks like. It was very well packaged. It took me probably an hour to unbox all this stuff. Nothing damaged.